Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our phone, and now we should open the Movies Edge application. So here let's select the one from this available tabs. Just let's apply the stamp by click on the right down corner. If you want to change the backgrounds of the stamp, you just should select one from these backgrounds which you would like and just tap here to apply them. If you want to change hide your music controls not after 10 seconds but after 10, or just don't hide them, you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side. There's white dot on this panel. If you want to turn on to show notifications or show the date status, you should just click on the switchers, and we can show the battery status always while the device charging, or just don't show it. So let's go back, click on this X icon and switch AID to the settings. Tap down to always on display, and here we can change shown unlock screen time of always on display feature always while the device charging when we'll play the music. Also we can use this to feature separately. We can change screen timeout from 1 minute just to number, to decrease and increase the brightness level, to close with the double or single tap the AID feature. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you should also use the switcher to close it with the fingerprint. To close it on screen off, also you should use the switcher. Also we can set here the shadow, the start and the end time. And if you want to disable the always on display feature during the calls, you can also make it here. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.